Does my new Apple adjustable keyboard work? Well, it's currently plugged in to my MacBook Pro. There's an ADB cable and it's going to ADB to micro USB, and then we have micro USB to USB-C, and there's my MacBook Pro. So let's put the camera down, angle the mouse, or the camera I mean. Now I have just tried this off camera and some of the keys are a bit sticky because the keyboard is absolutely filthy. But the shift doesn't work on that side. Q, you have to punch. R doesn't work. Whoops, one of the keys has just has just come off. There we are. That's how grim that is. That's going to need a real good clean. Ugh. Disgusting. So maybe that this keyboard doesn't actually work. So I'll have to give it a good clean and find out.